Greetings everybody, this is Costa from Pinnacle Stone Restoration. Thanks for watching our videos, thanks for following us, and if you're watching this video first time, please subscribe us. We promise you we're gonna make more interesting videos for you. That kind of motivates us, because that we kind of feel like we have a mission here to tell everybody how importance of the stone restoration and stone refinishing trade. So let's talk about particular project here. Today we are doing marble floor. What are we doing with marble floor? We're doing 8+ system. That means that we're going to make it seamless, and on top of it we are going to make a textured finish or leather finish on it. So even as you know, stone can be polished, stone can be honed, and also can be brushed or leather or textured. So if you remember in the previous video, we made the quartzite floor brushed, and it came out amazing. It's a really interesting project that we had, and now we have marble floor. What's the difference between marble and quartzite? For example, quartzite most of the time doesn't contain the calcium, so it doesn't react with acid, but marble, because it contains a lot of calcium, it reacts with acid. So that's the way we approach them. So like we have to take in consideration when we're doing this particular project, so that this is a marble, acid sensitive, and it's not a quartzite that we've done before. So of course the approach will be different. So far what we did, we removed the existing grout, we cut the lippage off, and so right now everything is nice and flat. And what we're doing at this point, we are profiling the stone with the, I think, 36 grit diamond brushes, followed by the 46. So that's how it's gonna go: 36, 46, 60, 80, 120, 220, up to 400 grit. The 400 grit, everything will be basically, like all the steps will be passed. So then we're gonna go with D.I.P system to get the luster or shine. Customer wants that floor to be more shinier. But outcome is gonna be leather finish, seamless floor, easy to take care of, easy to maintain. It's gonna age well. As you know, like if you watch the other videos about that quartzite, the same concept. So very excited about this project. Please watch this video, and if that generates any questions, please contact us, and we will be happy to get back to you, answer all your questions. And as I said, like we will be putting more interesting videos. And thank you for, like, we getting a lot of response from all over the world. Like actually, people from Africa, people from Australia, they get interested, and they have certain questions that like we can share all this information with each other. There's nothing wrong with it. We should take care of this trade, and we should care about like the right way to do the stone. So please follow us, and then thank you for following us actually. And they're kind of motivates us when you ask us questions and you get interested. All right, until next time then, thank you.